Okay, are you ready? I am. Let me read what it says. It says, one direction. Yeah. Then back to this. Yeah. I tied my note thingy. Okay, here we go. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Awaken! Bye, Kevin. It's not going anywhere.
Nope.
Oh my gosh! But I'm still gonna make it work. Okay.
That thing
Why
ain't
is
going.
that? I bet it's that note. Keep it going.
Could be.
How about just do this? I don't want to. You awaken!
Kayla, it's not going to go. Now it's going to be stuck on the house. Or go up, it's going to hit them trees is what it's going to do. Nope, it got stuck on the house.
Fart face!
I mean, why did you throw it right up at the house?
It's like a month! Ugh.
Why would